A 40-year-old teacher from a prominent Mumbai school was recently arrested. Why? For having a sexual relationship with her 17-year-old male student and allegedly giving him anti-anxiety pills. But this is not just one case. Just days ago, on August 18th, the Karnataka High Court confirmed something very important. Under the POCSO Act, women can also be held accountable for the sexual abuse of children. The law is gender neutral. This ruling comes nearly a year after the Delhi High Court said the same thing. So why is this suddenly in the spotlight? Let's break it down. POCSO, that is the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, was always meant to protect any child under 18, whether boy or girl. But here's the catch. Adult rape laws in India only recognize women as victims and men as perpetrators. But that's not how POCSO works. Under POCSO, the law doesn't care about the gender of the abuser. What matters is that the victim is a child. And according to the NCRB 2022 data, 37,907 child rape cases were reported under POCSO. 37,511 were girls and 396 were boys. But in unnatural sexual assault cases, which is Section 377 IPC plus POCSO, out of 581 cases, 553 victims were boys. So yes, clearly male children are victims too. And courts are finally making it clear. Women can also be abusers under POCSO. And how does the law define sexual assault on children? It's under various provisions. Section 3 is penetrative sexual assault, which means any penetration of the private parts of a child, object insertion, or forcing a child to perform these acts. Punishment is from minimum 10 years to life. Aggravated penetrative assault comes in when the same acts are done by someone in authority, maybe a teacher, a police person, doctor, school or hospital staff, or a relative. Any assault on a child under 12 or an assault done by more than one person is aggravated assault, which carries minimum 20 years to life imprisonment. Section 7 defines sexual assault, which is touching or making a child touch private parts with sexual intent. This does not require penetration, and the punishment is minimum of 3 years. Aggravated sexual assault carries minimum 5 years in jail. Sexual harassment includes showing pornography, exposing your body or the child's body, stalking or contacting a child sexually, even if it is online. The punishment for this is up to 3 years. And for any child under 12, all assaults, remember, are treated as aggravated assaults with tougher punishments. Yes, schools now teach kids about good touch and bad touch. But awareness of POCSO needs to go much further, especially to parents, teachers, and even law enforcement. Because child protection laws don't see gender, they see abuse, and they're meant to keep all children safe.